Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another vloggy type walk video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans, yeah. Alright, Jelly Beans. Today is Monday the 26th, I believe. Yes, the 26th of February. Right now, I just started walking. So, oh yeah. It's a little poopy out here. And, I'll be going for a little drive today, too. I'll take y'all with me. I know I'm moving this thing a lot. You're on my selfish stick. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So, I will get right back to you. Really soon. Alright, Jelly Beans, I am back. Before you are. Yeah, that's why I'm using my phone. Because of my stupid computer. It's shutting off by itself now, so now I gotta get up the other computer again. I don't like using that computer because for some reason a lot of my stuff cannot get put in. The video cannot be longer than 27 minutes, which is very stupid. Very stupid if you ask me. So, anyway, I guess it is what it is. It happens. Oh yeah. Nice day out. It's like 50 plus degrees out today. Very nice. Going to take a different path today. So, yeah, one of my videos I did the other day, I couldn't put up because of that computer. Stupid computer. I'd love to bounce it off the deck or throw it in the ocean or something like that, but then the fish have to deal with that, and I don't want to harm any fishy. Hey, I'm back, Jelly Beans. You hear a lot of traffic because school let out, the high school, so I'm on my way back into my area. Oh well. I can see I'm just passing the main road. Oh my, you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. It's a nice walk, so. I have the microphone in the sleeve of my shirt. So, I think I said it was like 50 centimeters. very nice. The sweat is like cold sweat, so it's not really hot out. You get the really noticeable glistening sweat on my head. That stuff too. Oh yeah. So, anyway, jelly beans, I'll get right back to you. Hey, I'm back on my street, so. Yeah, maybe I'll go walking a little earlier next time. Walk up that way. Too much traffic going on right now. I didn't know school let out that early. It happens. Oh yeah. I already walked over a mile. When I last checked, it was 1.21. So. Oh, yeah. Hey jelly beans, I'm back. I walked 2.7 miles. It was a great walk. I enjoyed every minute of it. I enjoyed every minute of it, so, oh yeah. Oh yeah. It was a nice day for a walk today. Didn't really sweat, so I don't have no sweat on the shirt to show. Oh yeah. What do I have? Besides my oil sensor being broke on a car. But nothing. I have nothing to do. I don't know what I'm doing today besides doing that walk and going over to my friend's house. I looked in my back seat and I found this Crapple product. Crapple. I'm not a Crapple fan. I know whose Crapple it is, so it's 5, and I'll be going to deliver it to the person right now. So I'll see you when I get back. Jelly beans, I am at Viper Mania's house, and his wife's got to come out and get the phone. This Crapple phone, like I said. Crapple iPhone 5. Oh yeah. So anyway, Jokies. Oh yeah. I'll see y'all in a bit when I get home. Oh yeah. Alright, jelly beans. You can see it's a little later in the day, so I'm gonna edit my video for today. Oh, excuse me. So I hope you all had a good day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you all for watching. If you like, subscribe, share, follow on Facebook. The link is down below. Please follow the small YouTuber army. That link is down below. Have a good day. Oh yeah, and please check out John Haggerty Vlogs in these days. Have a good day. Peace.